everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Anushri, and today I'll be giving you the overview of Viceroy Vesawa by Viceroy Properties located at Versova, Andheri West, Mumbai. Before that, let me show you the neighborhood of this project. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual sales office. And this is the actual land parcel. Now before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where the home buyers are directly connected to the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing, unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, your contact number is directly shared with the multiple brokers, which will lead to endless calling. But in Housey, you are directly connected to the developers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housey. In this overview, we will be discussing the below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, lounge discounts, offers, and many more. So let's start. This project is being developed on 0.7 acres of land parcel featuring one tower, one basement ground plus upper level. First to 7th floor is resident parking, 8th floor is E-deck area, 9th to 30th floor is habitable floor, 31st is rooftop amenities having 3 BHK, 4 BHK premium residencies and jewelry options available. Talking about connectivity, this project is located near Fishery University Road, Versova, Andheri West, Mumbai. So as you can see, I'm standing at the main entrance of the project. Right behind me is the land parcel. So the road on the right hand side leads you to the Versova beach. And this is the Fishery Road. Now let's check out the neighborhood. With International Airport 30 minutes, Western Express Highway 5.3 kilometers, and upcoming coastal road less than 1 kilometer, and school, colleges, hospitals all in a radius of 1 kilometer. Now let's talk about amenities. Here you get 25 plus luxurious amenities such as gymnasium and Pilates, swimming pool, spa and meditation area, indoor games, and many more. Talking about carpet area, for 3 BHK is 1850 square feet and 4 BHK is 2890 square feet. Now let's talk about booking process. So our project booking window is now open. Clients are invited to visit the site where our sales team will explain the project details and 3D models. We'll share you the payment and the pricing scheme. We'll also show you the actual location as well. Then if the clients like the project, they can proceed to the token and give 10% of agreement value. So everyone, this was the complete overview of Viceroy Vesawa by Viceroy Properties located at Versova, Andheri West, Mumbai. If you are looking for more details of this project, click on the link below to download e-brochures and price sheets. And don't forget to follow, like, share and subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.